Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Amazon CloudFormation, an essential service for managing and provisioning resources within AWS. In this training, we will delve into how CloudFormation can streamline your cloud infrastructure management by using infrastructure as code. What is Amazon CloudFormation? Amazon CloudFormation is an AWS service that allows you to model, provision, and manage AWS and third-party resources. By treating your infrastructure as code, CloudFormation enables you to create and manage a collection of related AWS resources, provisioning and updating them in an orderly and predictable fashion. Key use cases: DevOps infrastructure management. Automate and manage your infrastructure using DevOps practices, enabling seamless integration and deployment processes. Scalable production stacks. Efficiently scale your AWS resources to meet production demands. Sharing best practices. Utilize CloudFormation to implement and share infrastructure best practices across teams or organizations. Benefits and features. Stacks. Organize your AWS resources in stacks for easy management. Stack sets. Manage multiple stacks across different accounts and regions. Change sets. Preview how proposed changes to a stack might impact your running resources. Drift detection. Detect if your stack's actual configuration differs from its expected configuration. Template linting and policy as code. Ensure your templates adhere to best practices and compliance policies. CloudFormation Public Registry. Access to third-party resource types and modules. AWS CloudFormation Quotas. Outputs is up to 200 outputs per AWS CloudFormation template, while parameters is up to 200 parameters per template. And resources have a maximum of 500 resources per template. Pricing. AWS CloudFormation is designed with a cost-effective approach. There is no additional charge for using AWS CloudFormation with resource providers in the AWS, Alexa, and custom namespaces. You only pay for the AWS resources such as EC2 instances or elastic load balancers created using CloudFormation as you would if you had created them manually. Hands-on practice. We are in the AWS console window now. Go to the Services drop-down menu, and find Management Governance Services. On the right side of the drop-down menu, find CloudFormation, then open the linked CloudFormation in a new tab. We are in the CloudFormation dashboard page now under the Stack section. We have 3 stacks here. Let's examine one of them, for example the Clouds Guru Test VPC stack. All information is here and you find every details on the right pane including number of events, resources, outputs, parameters, templates which are all codes which you can copy and edit in Designer. We can manipulate stack and even detect drift. Let's check it, and we can see here stack drift status and other settings. This is very important later on in your cloud engineering job. Go back to stacks and let's create one with new resources. We are now in the creation template and we have 4 steps here. This is a template ready and we can use Amazon S3 URL. Next step, we can specify stack and quickly fill out details. Next, configure stack options, keep everything as defaults. Then last step is to review test. After reviewing we can submit the configuration, but since we don't need it yet for this demo, let's cancel for now. Let's go back to CloudFormation UI and go to Designer, and here we can create CloudFormation stack as well in JSON or YAML format. That's all for our short AWS CloudFormation user interface review. How it works for AWS CloudFormation? AWS CloudFormation allows users to code their infrastructure using the CloudFormation template language, in YAML or JSON format. Users can start from scratch or leverage available sample templates. Templates can be checked locally or uploaded to an S3 bucket. Utilize CloudFormation through the browser console, command line tools, or APIs to create a stack based on the template code. CloudFormation provisions and configures specified stacks and resources, streamlining infrastructure deployment. Amazon CloudFormation is a powerful tool for developers and system administrators. It simplifies the process of managing and deploying a collection of AWS resources, allowing you to focus on your applications rather than on the underlying infrastructure. By using CloudFormation, you can ensure that your infrastructure is deployed consistently and reliably, across multiple environments, and with less room for human error. In short, AWS CloudFormation is a key component in modern cloud infrastructure management, enabling efficient, repeatable, and reliable provisioning of AWS resources.